Hey everyone, Byron here, and we have nothing to unbox today. Joke lang! So this phone hasn't been released in the Philippines yet, but we finally have our hands on it. This is the iPhone 12 Pro, so let me get it. And I'm personally super excited about this kasi I'm one of the biggest Apple fanboys. And if you're from the Philippines watching this, stay strong everyone. It's probably gonna be available in 2 to 3 months in our local authorized resellers such as iStudio, PowerMac, Beyond the Box, or Digital Walker. The box is in black since we have the Pro version. And this is somewhat similar to the black accessories that are only available in the iMac Pro or the Mac Pro. And if you didn't know yet, the box comes in such a thinner size compared to the older models because Apple got rid of their power bricks and earphones to save the environment. Let's go Apple! So we just have to pull this pull tab right here. And wow, I personally unboxed so many gadgets here in the channel, but this is just something special because this is the newest iPhone. So the color of the phone is also seen on the front with the accents. We have the silver iPhone 12 Pro right here. Now let's get to the unboxing. And here we have it, the new iPhone 12 Pro. So we're greeted by the phone right away, and man, this looks so clean. Let's check out the box first before the phone. There are no more power bricks like mentioned earlier, and we're only left with this lightning cable and the pamphlet. So let's check out the pamphlet. So we have the SIM ejector tool over here and the Apple sticker. And we have the USB Type-C to lightning cable over here. Alright, so here's the phone. Unlike the older models, we now have a LiDAR sensor, and so it's now covered by a paper sticker unlike the older models that was covering the whole phone with this sheet of plastic. Alright, and if you can see, there are some illustrations here just to show you what buttons it corresponds to. So the lightning down here, power, volume, and mute button. So let's lift it and see this new iPhone. Right off the bat, I can already tell you guys that this phone feels amazing. I would always tell my friends that the iPhone 5 was the greatest phone ever designed for its size and the two-tone color. And we seem to have gotten back the form factor of the 5 here on the 12. The design is similar to the newer Apple gadgets such as the iPad Air, the iPad Pro. Apple's really trying to transition into this more industrial type of design with thicker and more premium-looking boxy sides. And it looks great if you ask me. But one downside would be the fingerprints that you'll be getting on the 12 Pro because it used stainless steel, unlike the older or the non-Pro models. So on the back, we see the satin finish that feels like it's frosted glass, which feels absolutely amazing. So I guess a workaround that you can do is you buy one of those bumper case and you save the back because this feels so much better than the aluminum found in the non-Pro models. So the main reason why we actually get smartphones most of the time is to get the latest cameras on our smartphones, and you won't be disappointed with the iPhones as usual. So you have the triple camera setup, which we saw in the 11 Pro, but now we have a noticeable LiDAR sensor. This is supposed to help produce better photos, especially with portrait mode to get a better cutout for the bokeh and to help with low light scenarios. These new cameras also feature Apple Pro RAW, which allows for more control when editing photos. So Apple Pro RAW is actually super exciting because this may be the future for all smartphones, as these smartphones really push forward towards being a replacement for cameras in the very near future. There's also something new in terms of video. So this phone actually has Dolby Vision. So Dolby Vision recording is said to have 60 times more colors, and the iPhone 12 Pro models has 8 to 10 bit of HDR recording, which is insane for any smartphone. Some real standalone cameras don't even support this, and the iPhone is putting it in our hands in such a small form factor. And lastly, this iPhone is said to have better drop resistance, but of course, we won't be checking it here. But to those who drop their phones often, the new iPhones now offer more than 4 times drop resistance because of its ceramic shield. So the Pro now offers almost the perfect size in my opinion, but I can't wait to see what the Pro Max can offer because of its better camera sensor. However, something to get excited about for the 12 Pro models would be 5G and MagSafe. These accessories are probably the future of Apple moving forward, and I can't wait for them to be available here in the Philippines. They look absolutely cool, and it's a simple flex to everyone that you're on the newest iPhone. Since this is just a quick unboxing, I'll make sure to post my actual reviews soon. If you guys like this video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button down there, and ring that notification bell for tech videos weekly, and I'll see you guys on the next one.